Namaste. I am from Butol Kalika campus. I teach accountancy, cost accounting especially in BBS Second Year. And today's our topic is service costing. So we know the meaning of the service, the work done by people to fulfill the need of someone is called a service. Service costing is the process of identifying all cost associated with the building, supporting and delivering the services. I mean to say सर्भिस कस्टिङमा चाहिँ त्यो सर्भिस प्रोभाइड गर्नको लागि जे जति कामहरू गरिन्छ र त्यो खर्च के लाग्छ त्यसलाई हामीले सर्भिस कस्टिङ भन्छौँ. सम इक्जाम्पल आर मेबी वी आर युजिङ द इक्विपमेन्ट, त्यसको डेप्रिसिएसन हुनसक्छ, and staff salary. We may be hiring the professional. If we pay them, then professional fee. We may be using software, its cost, all these things, and there are so many. Now let us see what are the features of the service costing. The first one is it does not produce tangible goods. Like tangible goods means, देखिने सामान चाहिँ यसले प्रोडक्सन गर्दैन. Like college, we do not produce the tangible goods. हामीले पढाएको कुरा त देखिन्न. And second one is it is used to calculate the cost. अरूको जस्तै यो पनि किन सर्भिस कस्टिङ गर्नु पर्यो, so that we can understand what is the cost incurred to provide the service. And the next one is costहरू are divided into two. They are fixed and variable. And although same name is not given here, for fixed we say standing charges, and for variable cost we say running charges. Okay. And the next one is cost unit is simple here, and that may be the composite unit. And next one is this is usually computed period wise. And next one is it is used for perform internal as well as external also. Internal means the activity which are performed under the inside the organization, and external means the activity which is performed outside the organization. Okay. And now here we will go about the objective of costing. Means the first one is to calculate the cost. Simple. खर्च चाहिँ थाहा पाउनको लागि. Next, another one is to keep the operating cost at neither less or nor more. Another one, it helps us to make the comparison between the two organization, two activity, whether we are efficient or not. And next one is to evaluate the different alternatives, and similarly to decide whether the product is better to produce inside our organization or hire it from the organization, from another organization. To know that also, service costing is helpful. What are the scope of the service costing means where the service costing is done. There we can see transportation one. Transportation companyहरूमा सर्भिस कस्टिङ गरिन्छ, तिनीलाई सर्भिस कस्टिङ गर्ने अकाउन्ट चाहिँ चाहिन्छ. Another one is welfare services means like club, similarly orphanage, for them also service costing is necessary. Entertainment services like film hall, and similarly communication services which provide the communication services, for them also service costing is necessary. And next one is municipal services. We know municipality is the government organization. They provide service to the people, and they also keep the costing. And the costing kept by them is called service costing because they are not directly involved in the producing goods. If they are doing so, then they have to go to the cost sheet. Otherwise, they will do the service costing. So here I have given some small example of the service costing of the transportation company, so that you can understand means a little. So first of all, standing charges. Standing charges means, as I told you, they are the fixed charges. Means those who does not change according to the production, according to the running, are called fixed charges. Like insurance, license and road tax, garage rent, monthly or the yearly, they are the standing charges, and they are calculated here, and totaling is done, and their sum total is called total standing charges. We indicate by A. After that, we keep the record of the running or operating charges or variable cost. And there are so many examples of the variable cost by, by using your sense also, the wisdom also you can determine, you can calculate, distinguish. Repair and maintenance, service and cleaning, spare parts and component, terminal office expenses, they are very few. There are so many. So they are the running charges, and running charges of totaling is also done. Now when running charge totaling is done, now we add together the standing charges and the running charges, and we get the total operating cost. In total operating cost, that is only our expenditure. Now owner need the profit also. So when we add profit, then we get the service revenue. Or we can say the total fare in the case of the transportation company, total fare. Okay, thank you for listening me. Now tomorrow we'll be discussing about the how to calculate the total kilometer run and total passenger kilometer, so related to the transportation company. Thank you so much for listening me.